Be mindful. This town may be far, but the destinations aren't seas apart. There are two neighboring landmarks accessible by feet from Cabungawan, Barwan Beach. Catch the excitement and adrenaline rush in the ever-famous Duck Pool and the tranquil, kid-friendly waters of the pristine Masangret Cove.
Five-minutes walk from Cabungawan, Barwan Beach to Rocky Trails, you'll reach the famous Duck Pool, which is 20 feet in depth and diameter. It is a perfect spot for people who love to immerse themselves in the grandeur of the sea and photo shoot. The Masangret Cove, just 5 to 10 minutes walk from the depth pool, is such a picture-perfect site that people, both locals and visitors, unofficially called it Blue Lagoon after the 80s movie of the same title.
So kapag nasa bayan ka na sa town proper, pwede ka nang magrenta ng tricycle na nagkakahalaga lang ng 600 to 800 papunta dito sa Masangret, Barwan. So dito makikita ang depth pool at ang Masangret Cove or tinatawag din nilang Blue Lagoon. So may tatlo po tayong entry points na may pay parking each entry point. So you can take the Cabungawan Beach, Barwan. Malapit na siya, 10 minutes po going to Masangret Cove or the Blue Lagoon, and 5-minute walk po going to depth pool. And then the Mary Hill, if you take the Mary Hill Road, it's nestled between the two destinations, the depth pool and the Masangret Cove. May mga accommodations na tayo dito na available. So, nag-rate sila from 2,500 up to 12,000, depende sa number of packs, tsaka sa type ng roofs, or kung open cottages ba siya, cabanas. Dun po nag-range yung prices po nila, yung rates po ng mga accommodation.
Turista po na pumupunta po dito, pinagsasabihan po namin na hindi sila basta-basta pumunta po dyan sa Duck Pool at saka sa Masangret Cove kasi kung malalaki ang alon, maraming nadidisgrasya po. At saka yung mga basura nila, huwag sila magbabasura dito para malinis ng aming Duck Pool at saka Masangret Cove po. Binabantayan nila po yung mga turista po para hindi sila basta-basta pumunta dyan. Pag madidisgrasya po sila, pag malalaki kasi ang alon, binabantayan nila yung mga nagro-ronda po.
It's the universe's way of saying whatever you want to be, you can be, just like the splashing waters of the Duck Pool and the picture-perfect Masangret Cove.